Tired of feeling like your real estate transactions are more chaotic than coordinated? Let's dive into how Follow Up Boss can bring order to your contract to close process. First, navigate to the Transactions section within your Follow Up Boss account. This is your central hub for managing all active deals. You'll find this usually in the main navigation menu on the left-hand side. To start a new transaction, click the Add Transaction button. A window will pop up where you'll enter key details like the property address, client names, and expected closing date. Make sure to link the relevant contact from your Follow Up Boss database for seamless communication tracking. Next, define the stages of your transaction pipeline. Follow Up Boss lets you customize these stages to match your specific workflow. Examples include offer accepted, inspection period, appraisal, and closing. This visual representation helps you quickly see where each deal stands. Now, let's talk documents. Within each transaction, you can upload and organize all essential files, from the purchase agreement to inspection reports. Use the file tagging system to keep everything easily searchable and accessible. Automate your workflow by setting up tasks and reminders for each stage. Follow Up Boss allows you to create triggers so when a transaction moves to a new stage, relevant tasks are automatically assigned to you or your team, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Keep all client communication in one place. Follow Up Boss integrates with your email, so you can track all conversations related to a specific transaction directly within that deal's record. This keeps everyone on the same page. Finally, leverage the reporting features to gain insights into your transaction performance. Track your closing rates, identify bottlenecks, and optimize your process for even greater efficiency. And that's how Follow Up Boss helps streamline your contract to close process.